If you are working on any project, there's a question that is commonly asked. Hold on one sec. Hello? Where are you at? Got it. I'll send someone out tomorrow. See what I did there? Asking this question on a constant basis not only takes away from the job site productivity, but also makes you want to rip your hair out.
Hey!
Digital stationing on a heavy highway project offers location benefits to individuals both on and off the job site. While working on site, you can reference your location through GPS rather than trying to rely on undependable physical stationing. Think of how many times a lawnmower has ran over a lath, spray paint has been weathered away, stationing is not visible at night, or a teenage kid has stolen something off the job site. All these factors are removed when digital stationing is introduced. While working off-site, when problems arise and/or questions are asked, it's important to know the location of where the situation is going on. Digital stationing removes this sense of uncertainty as you know exactly the location of things happening. Think about it this way. It rains and you see standing water on the road. The next day, it's gone. How else will you know where the grading needs to be adjusted? With digital stationing, you are able to pinpoint the exact problem location, which could be done from your truck so you can stay dry. Then you can return to it when it's time to make the repair. The most important part of a job is location, so why not always know it?